Question number 21. A 3.5 cubic centimeter volume is occupied by a wood piece of mass 9.05 gram. Find the density of this piece of wood taking significant figures into consideration. In this question, we are going to calculate the density of a piece of wood, and its volume as well as its mass is given in the question. And after you got the answer of density, you have to keep into your consideration, you have to give the answer in significant figures. So first we will calculate the density and we will deal the significant figures later. Clear? So let's write the given first. The volume of this wood piece they gave here as 3.5 cubic centimeter, and also the mass of this wood piece is given here as 9.05 gram. Now we know the formula for calculating the density. So density rho, which is equal to mass divided by volume. So now what I have to do, I have to substitute the value here and I have to find the answer of density. So I am going to substitute the value of the mass here. The mass value here is 9.05 gram, and what's the volume value? 3.5 cubic centimeter. Let's see what's the answer here. 9.05 divided by 3.5. What answer I got here? So here I got 2.585714,286. Why I just give these many numbers after the decimal? Because they told you to give the answer in significant figures. First of all, we will write the unit here. What's the unit here? Which is gram per centimeter cube. How we can calculate, how we can give the answer in significant figures? You have to see the top as well as the bottom of the substitution. Here 9.05, how many significant figures we have here? We have 3 significant figures we have here, because we studied 5 rules, right? By studying that 5 rules, we deal many information, right? So if you see here, any zeros comes between the two non-zeros or significance. That means here 9 is a non-zero, 5 is a non-zero. In between, if you got any zeros, you have to consider that is also a significant figure. So according to that, here in the top we have 9.05. That means totally we have 3 significant figures we have in the top. Likewise, we have to see the same thing for the bottom of this. So here we have 3.5 cubic centimeter. So all non-zeros are significant figures. So like according to that, we have 2 non-zeros here. So what is the total significant figures we have in the bottom? We have 2 significant figures we have. So now we have to give the priority for the least value. So out of these 2 significant figures, 2 is the least significant figures. So I have to give the answer in 2 significant figures. So now here in this question, how many significant figures we have? All are non-zeros. So each and every number is a significant figures. So that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 significant figures I have in the answer, but I have to give the answer in only 2 significant figures. That's a rule. So I have to convert these to 2 significant figures. So how I can write? I can write these as a 2.6 gram per centimeter cube. Clear? So we have to you have to learn that significant rules. Now this is our answer. We have to give the answer to kilogram per meter cube. For that you already know the conversion, because 1 gram, which is equal to 10 power minus 3 kilogram, and also we know 1 centimeter, which is equal to 10 power minus 2 meter. So if you want to go for a cubic, we have to take cubic on both sides. So that means 1 centimeter the whole cube, which is equal to 10 power minus 2 meter the whole cube. So by that 1 centimeter cube, which is equal to 10 power minus 6 meter cube. So when you substitute this value here, we will get the answer in terms of kilogram per meter cube. So if you convert, what you will get? We will get 2.6 multiply with 10 power 3. Substitute the value for gram, because converting gram to kilogram is 10 to the power of minus 3 in the top. So better I can show it, no problem. So 2.6 multiply 10 power minus 3 divided by converting centimeter to this one. So what we will get? We will get 10 to the power of minus 6. So this is in kilogram now. This is in meter cube now. So what should be your answer? We will get the answer here as 2.6 multiply 10 power plus 3 kilogram per meter cube. So this is the answer in terms of SI unit. Clear? So the answer for this question is 2.6 10 power plus 3 kilogram per meter cube. So this will be the answer for this question. Thank you.